Hi Paulus, this is Edward Hong from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Do you remember Beaver's last flight? The aileron linkage was lost in the inverted low pass, so I almost said goodbye to this plane I had kept well for 20 years. Today, I'm going to work on the parts to be corrected that I felt during the flight at the time. It's summer now, so it's too hot to fly. Please take care of your health, so let's get started. What work on today? Aileron linkage replacement work that was lost in the last flight. Adjust the motor up-down thrust to correct the nose down, and the center of gravity measurement for each battery weight. And finally, the transmitter settings. The transmitter seems to be the settings in the last flight, so I'm going to make the dual rate a little bigger this time. And I'm going to try increasing the elevator and rudder control rates a bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's start by replacing the aileron linkages. The diameter of the existing linkages is 1.5 millimeters. I was thinking of replacing the linkages with a thicker one. The size is 1.8 millimeters bulb. Of course, there's no problem with the servos, so I will use the measure. Right. Now I replace the linkage to the new one. Fixing it over here. Alright, I finished replacing the aileron linkage. Right. Next, I will adjust the motor up-down thrust to correct the nose down. If you look at it from the side, the motor thrust line goes down a bit, right? Alright, to washers to the motor mount lower support. Okay, now I'll open the cowl, separate the cowl, and add some washers for the motor mount using these two washers. Okay, I'll add the washers here and here. Okay, I'll add one more washes the bottom side of the motor mounts, and I think this thrust line, let's see, this thrust line is little up. Okay, let's see. Right. All right, I think the thrust line is okay. I'll assemble the towers and check again. Okay, I think it's almost, the thrust line is okay. Let's try again at the next flight test. At the last flight, thanks to the indoor setting, the 670,000 mAh battery seems to be okay. But I have something uncomfortable for the flight at the field. So I tried using the above 3 batteries in the field at the next time and select the most appropriate capacity. Let's take a weight of batteries. First, 6 cell and 6,000 mAh battery. 976 grams. And 5,000 mAh. 791 grams. And the last, the 6 cell 4,000 mAh battery, 627 grams. I'll use these 3 kinds of battery at the next test flight. I used this one 6,000 mAh battery. The airplane was very uncomfortable to control, so I will test these 3 kinds of batteries on the flight. Now, finally, I'll set up the transmitter to suit me. At this time, the transmitter settings.
Welcome to OpenTX. Throttle warning. Switch warning. Engine off.
Okay.
Gear down. Flaps up. Timer 1 elapsed. Timer 2 elapsed.
This is the DHC-2 Beavers. Right. And this is the mixing of each channel. Channel 1 and 5 is for ailerons, and I give the 70% of control rate and 50% yaw rate. Go into the edit, and the weight is 70%. At the first flight, I used 35% of the weight for the ailerons, and the airplane is very unstable. So I changed the rate of this value to 70%. And change the exponential rate is 50%. All kinds of ailerons and 2 ailerons, and I changed the elevator control rate is 47% from 35%, and the exponential is same. Okay. Let's see the next flying, what will be changed. Now, everything's done. Alright, see you in the next field test. Please fly safely in the hot summer, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.